Hi everyone. All right, so if you click this video, you want to know what this smells like. I actually came across this in an Instagram ad. I was scrolling through Instagram, looking at my feed, and then this thing popped up and it said, "It smells like wood." Well, as you guys know, I'm a woodworker. I build lots of things and I'm around wood all the time. I know what sawdust smells like. I know what walnut, pine, oak, and all the different scents of wood are. And I'm really curious to know what this smells like. Well, I bought this and it just came in today and I was looking at the package and it says amber odor cedar. So I'm guessing it might smell like cedar. I'm not quite sure. Well, let's find out. I'm gonna spray this in the air, walk through it, and then give you my first time reaction to what it smells like. All right, let's do that. It has a hint of cedar. It's not quite cedar though. It's like a wet, mild version of cedar. It has some cinnamon, maybe some vanilla in it. It's very mild. I'm actually kind of a little disappointed, to be honest with you. I would have liked like walnut or pine or some other smell, but it's not bad. It has a refreshing feel to it. Yeah, I don't know. It's interesting. It's not cedar, although I think that's what they're kind of trying to mimic here. Because when you cut cedar, if any of you have cut cedar, you get that immediate hit of like, oh wow, that is cedar. When you cut walnut, you know that smells like walnut. It doesn't have those distinct flavors or smells, if you will. It's very mild of like a hint of cedar, more cinnamon or vanilla mixture blend that's muted, if you will. It's not unpleasant, it's actually pretty pleasant. I'm just kind of surprised that's what they chose for the smell of wood. I don't think it really smells like wood. It smells more of like a mild, muted cedar, vanilla, cinnamon smell. I would have liked walnut or something, or even pine. But yeah, it doesn't have those notes in it. If that's the right word, notes. Yeah, I guess that's pretty much it. Tell me what you think. If you've tried this out, I'd love to hear from you and what you think you smell and what your thoughts are. Post in the comments below. If you liked this video and if you found it helpful, please hit that like button. I'd really appreciate it. And if you want to get notified of when I'm posting my next video, be sure to subscribe and ding that bell to get notified. All right, well, till next time, I'll see you later, guys. All right, guys, so my wife just stepped into my garage and she was like, "What's that smell? It smells sexy. I love it." And I was like, "It's just the Febreze Air Wood scent." And she goes, "That's awesome. It smells like a cologne." And I'm like, I think this might become my new cologne if she likes it so much and finds it sexy, if you know what I mean. Well, it's funny because I actually have my cologne right here, and this is actually Dolce & Gabbana. I bought this years ago. I barely ever wear it, and it's kind of expensive, where this is really cheap. I think I might just use this from now on. All right, I'm sexy now.